I guess, yeah, I don't think the Mobius is on. I don't know why.
You got a problem already?
We don't think so. We'll check it out. We're gonna think about it for a moment. Figure it out.
Well, this is cut a hole. Yeah, you cut a hole and irritate it.
Rather than trying to.
I don't have my leather.
Oh, it's in the black box.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, in that black box, your Leatherman will be going.
No wonder it weighs so much. Do either one end or the other and then just slide it out a little bit or slide out the other way?
Because we'd have to do both so we can slide it.
Oh, you have to do both to slide out?
Yeah, there isn't enough room to slide.
If you have the tape to seal it back up, I'd say try the surgery and then
if that doesn't work.
If that doesn't work, just turn on normally.
Okay. Okay. This is going to be a big hole. So you think it's like here?
Oh my gosh, you guys. You're making my heart.
That's the goal.
Holy crap.
It's only surgery.
Launch site surgery is the worst.
Oh yeah, it totally pulled out. So that's what I'm trying to do.
These beautiful heavy-duty scissors.
Oh, they were mine. They carried with me all the time.
I mean, those are something else. Because somebody broke mine. Aside from this emergency surgery, everything is strung up.
Okay,
we're not making it exciting. We don't want it to be boring.
Okay. We'll give it a moment, and then we'll close up the heart, and then we'll try it again.
Close up the neck.
How much time do we have, Bernadette?
He said 10 minutes about 5 minutes ago.
Okay. And hopefully we drive.
I see that, yeah, Mobius is on. I see it.
You see the light?
I see the light. Totally.
Is that duct tape?
Yes. What should we tape the whole duct tape, silver tape?
I was thinking it was more of this clear tape, but otherwise...
I don't think we brought the clear tape.
Didn't bring the clear tape?
We forgot the clear
So would you rather have silver tape or duct tape? I have some silver duct tape.
In case you can't decide.
Yes, I always carry that with me.
I'm very sad nobody brought SpongeBob duct tape. I'm just disappointed in all
I don't know.
Yeah.
I guess we'll
and
go silver.
Really.
Okay. Silver.
Let myself down. Really let myself down.
Because we have a lot of it. Thank you.